This is everything you need to know for pre-calculus, part 4. So we're talking about the symmetry of graphs, and basically there's three kinds of symmetry, okay? First, we have graphs that are symmetrical with respect to the x-axis, okay? So you can see that the x-axis splits this graph or this line into half, okay? It's kind of like a mirror image. And so that means that if we have some point xy, we should also have x negative y on that graph, okay? So in this example, let's say that this point is 2, 2, okay? We also have to have that same point down here, but with the negative y value, okay, which we do. So this would be positive 2, negative 2, okay? So this graph, this line is symmetrical with respect to the x-axis. The next kind is whenever we're symmetrical with respect to the y-axis, okay? So this time the y-axis is kind of like our mirror. It's kind of where it's splitting it down the middle. And so this time, if we have some point xy, then we also have to have the point negative x, y, okay? So let's say that this point is 1, 1. We also have to have the same point over here, its mirror image. And so in this case, that's going to be negative 1, 1. Okay, so you can usually tell just by looking whether a graph is symmetrical with respect to the x-axis and the y-axis. Now the third kind is graphs that are symmetrical with respect to the origin, okay? And so that could look something like this. So basically for every point x, y, we also have to have negative x, negative y, okay? So in this example, this would be positive 2, positive 2, and so we also have to have the negative versions of those points, okay, for x and the y value. So this point down here would be negative 2, negative 2. And so we do have that point, okay? So this one would be symmetrical about the origin. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more like this, go ahead and follow this account, like this video, and leave a comment. That way my videos show up in your For You page later on. We'll see you next time.